Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Tonight we're going to have a look at these awesome solar-powered motion-activated LED lights. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase these awesome solar-powered lights and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because we do get a commission if you purchase these lights. And of course, before getting started, just want to thank the good folks out at Liwalt for sending me these awesome lights to review. Let's get started. Alright, let's begin with a quick size reference just so you get a better idea for how big these panels are. So here's a regular playing card. You can see all four of these panels just about that size. Let's have a look at the solar panel up top here. Alright, I'm going to turn this sideways just so you can see the depth here. I'll turn that sideways. Alright, let's get this on the scale with the mount. Coming in at, under a pound, 15.5 ounces. And just in case you're wondering how heavy 15.6 ounces feels like, well, if you got a bottle of water around the house and it's almost all the way full, weighs almost as much as that. Alright, let's take a quick tour around this motion activated light. So here are your motion sensors here. You should get about 180 degrees of coverage. These panels are movable. They fold in, so does the bottom one. Got about 188 total LED lights here. There's a look at the solar panel on the top, and this does move independently of the mount bracket back here. Plastic housing. Waterproofing is IP65, so you cannot submerge this, but it will be able to withstand rain. There are two ways that you can mount this to the side of your house. Remember, this does not need any wiring because all of your power is coming from your solar panel. The first way is just to direct mount this right to a stud in your home with these 4 screws here. The second way is to use the mount here. You mount it with the clip down here on the bottom. Screw these into the stud, and this will fit just like that. Now, the only thing I recommend is that you do not use the included hardware. This is going to come off eventually. Go to your local hardware store and ask them what they have to mount this to the side of your house. That's a little bit more robust than these guys. Now, to activate the light, there's a power button right back here, and all you got to do is click it. And there are 3 different modes that you can choose from. Let's have a look at those. Alright guys, mode number 1, the light is off throughout the daytime. There's a sensor that will not allow it to turn on. But when there is motion, it stays on between 25 to 30 seconds and then it shuts back off. Mode number 2 is always on at 10% brightness on an 8-hour timer. And the third and final mode is basically a mixture of both. So it stays at roughly about 3% of its brightness, and then when somebody gets a little bit closer, it goes back up to high. After 25 to 30 seconds, then it goes back down to about 3%. Alright guys, in my garage, total darkness. Just want to give you an idea for how bright these lamps are. We're going to go mode 1. Remember, the sensors can pick up activity about 180 degrees around and about 40 feet away. Let's activate the light on the left first. Right, it's pretty bright. And then over to the right. Once again, guys, these have been the solar-powered motion-activated lights from Liwalt. If you're looking for a great way to light up dark areas around your house that's easy to install, where you don't have to worry about any type of wiring, these might be a great option for you. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase these awesome lights, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.